Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a JavaScript regex tutorial on freeCodeCamp. Specify only the lower number of matches. So we learned before that we have this curly brackets to specify the minimum and the maximum amount of times you want that previous character to appear in the match. Now we can set it for only a minimum limit. So we use the asterisk for 0 or more, the plus for 1 or more. Now we can, if we want more than that, we can just do the curly brackets and then the minimum and then the comma and then nothing for the maximum, just leave it blank and then close the bracket, the curly bracket. So for here, we see A4, it has 4 A's, A2 for the 2 A's, and A100. And now we're creating regex for HA 3 or more times. And now we're testing it. So A4, it matches, so it's true. A2 only has true, so it's false, and 100 is more than 3, so it returns true. So for this exercise, it wants us to change the regex, regex to match the word hazel only when it has 4 or more letters. Great. So let's change this. So HA and then Z, and this is the one we want to change with the curly brackets. So we want 4 or more, so 4 and then comma, and close that, then AH. And that's it. It should return true for this because this has HA, 4 Z's, A and H. Great. And that's it for this one. Thank you so much.